Welcome to day 4 of understanding how LLMs work. So, in our last video, we came across embeddings, the secret recipe behind LLMs understanding words. If you haven't watched it, I highly recommend you to check it out for better understanding of this video. So, in our last video, we have the box of blocks king, queen, and apple with their detailed recipe scores, right? Now, to understand how attention mechanism works, we are going to use them to build a sentence. Let's build the sentence the king ate the apple. Now, the problem is that how does the model understand the story behind this sentence? How does it figure out that the king is one doing the eating and the apple is one being eaten? Just lining the blocks isn't enough, right? It needs to understand the relationship and should generate a meaningful sentence out of it. That's where attention mechanism shows its magic. So, this is how it works. Think of it like a magic spotlight. When the LLM looks at one block in our sentence, it shines the special spotlight back on all other blocks to understand the context. So, let's see it in action. Let's focus on the block for 8 first. To understand what 8 means in the specific sentence, the model needs to ask who is doing the eating and what is being eaten. So the 8th block shines its spotlight back on other blocks. The spotlight shines very brightly on king because the 8th block recipe tells it to look for a doer or a person or a creature. The spotlight shines very brightly on apple because its recipe tells it to look for something that has food power in it. The spotlight shines very dimly on the other two sentences in this block because they aren't that much important for understanding the action itself. This brightness of the spotlight is called attention score, and the model does this for every single block in the sentence. So it's like attention is a way for the model to dynamically decide which other words are the most important clues for understanding each specific word in a sentence. It's how it connects the who to the what and build the fuller picture. So that's it for now. In our next video, we'll see about transformers, the logical step after knowing about attention. So subscribe to my channel so you can't miss it.